Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Proxy on Mac. First, you'll need to download and install the application on your computer. Once installed, open Charles Proxy and grant it the necessary permissions to monitor your network traffic. Charles will automatically configure your Mac system proxy settings, but it's always good to double-check. You should see network requests immediately appearing in the Charles interface, indicating a successful setup. Once Charles Proxy is running, you can start configuring it to suit your needs. A key feature is filtering, allowing you to focus on specific hosts or applications by entering their names in the filter bar. You can easily inspect the full details of any request or response, including headers and body content. The structure view provides a hierarchical overview of your network sessions, making navigation straightforward. Remember to save your sessions for future reference or to share with your team. To inspect secure HTTPS traffic, you'll need to enable SSL proxying. First, install the Charles SSL certificate on your Mac by navigating to the Help menu and selecting SSL proxying, then install Charles root certificate. Next, enable SSL proxying for the specific hosts you wish to monitor within Charles. Finally, trust the installed certificate in your Mac OS keychain access. After these steps, you will be able to view the decrypted content of secure network requests and responses. Charles Proxy offers powerful advanced features to enhance your debugging. The rewrite tool allows you to modify requests or responses on the fly, which is incredibly useful for testing different scenarios. You can also set breakpoints to pause network traffic, giving you the opportunity to edit requests or responses before they are sent or received. Furthermore, simulate various network conditions, like slow internet, using the throttling feature. Don't forget you can export your configurations and recorded sessions for easy sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.